Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove end-to-end encryption in Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Instagram app, go to messages on top right corner. I'm going to tap on the person, tap on the ID, tap on privacy and safety, and tap on use end-to-end. And there we go, it has simply started. And again, I'm going to tap on the ID. If I go to privacy and safety, I can tap on end-to-end encryption, but there is no way I can turn it off. For that, I got to go back and tap on restrict. I'm going to restrict the person. Do not block, for that matter. You're going to go back, go to your profile at the bottom, tap on 3 horizontal line on top right corner. We're going to scroll and we're going to go to the section of restricted. We're going to find our account. We're going to tap at the bottom, tap on the unrestricted option. We're gonna go back, go ahead, go to home on your messages, tap on the person, and it has simply been turned off. That's how you do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.